Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from your Motorola to Huawei P40 Pro, and we have to get the application to transfer data. I recommend you to get the phone clone from the Google Play Store, and if you just download it, right here we have to open on both phones and tap the old phone on your Motorola and the new phone on your Huawei. Right here we have to select the type of the phone, and this of course the other Android, because it is not Huawei. So tap on the other Android. Next, right here we have to scan QR code. Tap on the select all to unselect, and I'm going for those two photos because it's only an example, but if you want to take everything, you just click on the select all. And I'm going for those two photos. Tap OK, next, transfer. And it's finished. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.